Today we'll be installing our kitchen cabinets. As you can see, we've laid out our plumbing and our electrical. So it will be as simple as just hanging them and putting them in place. So let's begin. The first cabinets we're going to install are upper cabinets. So what I'm going to do is set up this laser level so we can get a line across the top, make sure everything's straight. I'm going to measure one of my cabinets, so I know how high they are. Okay, next we're going to grab our level, mark out our studs. I pre-drilled a hole for the hood fan. Once we've drilled our hole, we can go hang her up. There it is. Now we can put the hood fan one up. Okay, now you can see our uppers are up with the lowers down below. We have two 24s. First thing we'll do is bring the laser level out again. Alright, now we're on to the kitchen sink part. So first thing we're going to do is line up this cabinet. It's going to go here. Okay, so now we have our base cabinets in, our uppers in. Next, countertops, appliances, and tile. Thanks for watching.